Today's video is extra special. Today I'm going to be doing this video with my husband and he's going to be helping me put these ingredients together. So let's go ahead and enjoy this. Hey guys, welcome to the Anti-Inflammation Kitchen for gluten-free, dairy-free and tomato-free. Today I'm going to be making dairy-free hot chocolate. You know, when the temperature is getting cold outside, or you're just simply craving some hot chocolate in any weather, there is nothing better than sipping on a glass of dairy-free hot chocolate. And today, we're going to be doing just that. These are the ingredients that I have for my hot chocolate. I have oat milk over here. It's a dairy-free hot oat milk. I have almond milk over here. I have some cocoa powder, Dutch. This is organic. And if you see the ingredients at the back, this is pure cocoa powder. Cocoa has bioactive compounds that may have anti-inflammatory properties. Other health benefits are it improves heart and brain health. It controls blood sugar and weight. And it also decreases the chance of heart disease. And remember, cocoa comes from the cacao tree as well. I have some peppermint extract. I have date syrup over here. For the sweetness, you can even use honey, pure honey, or any honey. I also have manuka honey, which is very tasty. And then finally, towards the end, when you put the drink together, this will give it a nice foam or froth. If you don't have one, it's fine as well. First, we're going to go ahead and warm up the milk. And let's go pour this in. Okay, so we'll give this about 5 or 10 minutes for the milk to warm up. Okay, now the milk is warm enough. I'm going to go ahead and add some hot chocolate. 2 tablespoons of this. 1, 2. Okay, let's give this a good stir as well. Again, tablespoon is fine for this time. Okay, now to add some sweetness to this, introducing the date syrup. Organic date syrup we got from Trader Joe's. Okay, so 2 or 3 tablespoons of organic date syrup is good. Now I'm going to go ahead and use this to mix my ingredients together. Again, of course, a regular spoon is fine as well. Okay, so I also got some peppermint extract in my husband's hand. And you can get this from any grocery store as well. You've got about 2 or 3 drops of it. 2 or 3 drops of it. Okay. And this will change the taste of it too. Go stir this again. I'm so thirsty. Okay, it's time to now pour the hot chocolate in. Oh, look at that rich chocolate. Well, I can't wait to have this. Honey, cheers. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like this video to my Anti-Inflammation Kitchen for gluten-free, dairy-free and tomato-free recipes. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Stay warm outside over there, guys. And do try this drink. This is so good.